Let's create a new script and an MTM object to assign it. Inside the script, we will define just a float variable, because in this video we're gonna see how to increment or decrement this variable a certain amount per second. Subscribe to support this content and let's start solving this problem. In order to achieve what you're seeing right now, you need to make little changes to the variable in between frames. That's why we need to use an update function. As you can read here, update is called once per frame. And how much do we need to change the variable? That will depend on the speed you want. My gift to you in this video is the following piece of knowledge. If you increment a float variable by Time.deltaTime inside an update function, doesn't matter if it's update, LateUpdate or FixedUpdate, this variable will change 1 unit per second. That's all you need to remember. Here I defined a TextMesh Pro text just to show the value on the screen. In the corner I leave you a specific video on how to work with TextMesh Pro. This is just so that when we hit play, we can see the value of the variable on the screen. The variable is changing by 1 unit per second. So now we can define another float variable, let's call it speed, make it equal to 1, and use that variable to multiply the Time.deltaTime. Press play again, and as you can see, the variable still changes by 1 unit per second, but that's because the speed variable is 1. If you change that speed to 3, now the variable is changing 3 units per second. You make the speed negative, and the variable decrements 3 units per second. Subscribe to this channel so we can see each other again in the next video.